Hello everyone!
Hi!
Welcome back if you have joined us before, and if you're a first timer, then welcome aboard.
Welcome!
We're here today at Disney's Bay Lake Tower, here at the Contemporary Resort, or next to the Contemporary Resort, kind of in conjunction with each other.
Well, Bay Lake Tower is the DVC portion of Contemporary.
Yes.
Yes?
DVC, of course, meaning Disney Vacation Club. We are here today to show you the accommodations that we have, as we are just here for one night in advance of our Disneyland trip. Flying out tomorrow. We are staying here at the Walt Disney World tonight, though, in advance of that. And we are here at Bay Lake Tower in a standard studio room. So
Deluxe studio.
Deluxe studio.
But they're all deluxe studios.
Standard, though, no theme park view, no Bay Lake view. We're actually on the first floor in this particular unit. So we hope you'll join us along here as we give you a brief tour of what this room has to offer. As we wind down the hallway from the main lobby area, we find our room 7137. One of our favorite things here at Bay Lake Tower is how they do these room numbers. But let's head inside here. Nice door.
Yeah.
There we go.
Not soft close.
Our typical run-of-the-mill Disney door stuff, our evacuation route and safety information, our lock here, our lock here. This is just the back of the battery box for your Magic Band touch point, and then your room occupied signage there. Of course, the door handle to open the door, and then our entry light switch. So right when you come in, that's just kind of the basic landing space. There's not really much going on in here. We do have an air vent though.
A sideways air vent.
Yeah, and that's the light right there, of course. And right as we enter on the right, what's behind door number 1? The bathroom. And it's pretty standard, but still nice. Deluxe DVC accommodations are usually have. We have our tub shower combo. And this one still has the like individual bottles of the H2O shampoo and soap. So I haven't done the wall-mounted pumps yet. You can still take these home with you at the conclusion of your stay. Do have the clothesline there. Goes right across and connects. Nice shelf. Multiple hang-ups like towel rack, or not racks, but towel hang-ups there. One inside the shower here. Toilet, obviously. Shelf with the extra towels stored up there. We come here, we have our mirror at the vanity with our sink. Nice countertops here. The bar soap there. The H2O. We do have our plugs, GFI, right there. Tissue box, and this fun little couple of wooden shelves here.
I like the little nook.
Yeah, it's just tucked up in there. I actually like the wall color. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera. It looks pretty much the same.
It's like a light blue, but it goes really good with these counters.
Yeah.
These are pretty.
And then underneath the sink, we do have all the extra supplies and the hair dryer, stuff like that. So pretty straightforward bathroom. I do like the wall lights here. You have the lights up above, obviously, at the sink and the toilet. But then I actually like this strip here too. This just like tucked up in the shower there. Very nice. So again, pretty standard bathroom, but nice. Definitely will get the job done. So opposite the bathroom here, you'll see this door. This is just because this is what they call a lock-off. So when you have like a 2-bedroom unit, it would be a 1-bedroom villa on this side, and then you would pair it with this studio to make a 2-bedroom lock-off, because you can lock off the door. It could also
be served as an adjoining room.
Yeah.
Meaning if you had 2 separate reservations, but then we could get back and forth. So it's 2 separate reservations, but you can go in between if you know each other.
Yeah, exactly. Now we don't know the people next door, so ours is locked. Ours is just locked. But they do have studios here that aren't like that, so you may not have this door, but that's all it is. It's just to go into the next room. And we come through. We do have an outlet here, which is an interesting position.
Well, I think the reason why this exists is because this is carpet and there is a vacuum.
There is a vacuum cleaner inside that closet, so
I think that's a vacuum
to help vacuum. Well, then that would make sense. This, when we turn right next, so we come in, we get the bathroom there. This, I think, is probably the nicest part of this room that makes it stand out compared to other studios we've been in. Yeah,
and I think the reason why it stands out in a good way is because out of all the studios we've stayed in thus far, this one feels the most like a small apartment to me.
Yeah.
And I think it's because there's this separate kitchenette area. It kind of makes it feel like a little studio apartment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And which is funny because you mentioned kitchenette. Like every studio has a kitchenette, but it's usually like when you kind of just come here and then it's just there. Like there's the countertop with the sink and then there's like cabinets up here. But as you can see, this one has this whole separate roomed off area here, which is actually pretty large and nice. When you come in, you have your light switch and this decorative, I mean, you can't even really call it tile, but I guess it is. I don't know. I like it. Orange
Decorative
colors.
ovals.
Yep. We have our full-length mirror. Gotta
like
have
a
that.
double full-length mirror.
That's huge, yeah.
We can both look at each other at the same time.
That's right.
All right.
And there's another mirror tucked back up in here. Not full-length. But
there is an outlet here, so someone could get ready here and in the bathroom because it's only single sink in the bathroom.
Oh, right.
So 2 people still could get outlet ready at the same time.
And there's plenty of light here. As you can see, there's very bright light coming out. So, and there's a light up above too. It's just from the back, it didn't even look like it was lit, but it's shining down there. You do have some shelves, nice, deep, big wooden shelves there that run down. So yeah, nice little interesting extra space. And we turn to the other side. This is really more of the kitchenette, so to speak. We do have our sink, our coffee maker, another outlet. We have our paper towels mounted up under here, as well as the light you can see coming down off of the switch there. Nice countertops, very nice countertops actually. Really super nice. And this is cool. Pop open up here, and it's got the hinges there, so it just kind of stays up. So you don't have to worry about it coming down your head. You don't have to hold it up, but this is where you can see you get your glasses and mugs and bowls and plates and not exactly soft clothes, but not like slam clothes either. So we have some more shelving over here, ice bucket, and a pretty nice looking microwave. Standard 2-slice Sunbeam toaster, and then we do have our fridge with a little freezer ice box kind of thing there. Lots of shelving though.
Yeah,
this is a pretty sizable fridge. It is very cold.
Good.
Back over here we do have this, so as you can see, wow, that really comes out. That's like full extension.
Yeah, and look, there's little creamers.
Oh, yeah.
We haven't seen these in the other things.
No, it's been like the powdered stuff.
Yeah.
Packs.
Regular, decaf, regular. That's it.
Open it up and there's a little pod. You just put it right inside there. It's all in the filter. The grounds are inside the filter. It's like a all-in-one pod that you put inside. Silverware, well, it's really just plastic. But
Plasticware.
Corkscrew, bottle opener, can opener, some extra hand towels there. And then we do have additional drawers here, but there's nothing in them. So this is just for your own storage pleasure, except for that one there is an extra roll of paper towels. And the towel hanging on that one. And then we have our recycle bin down here, as well as some extra soap and the fire extinguisher. Always good to know. Hopefully you don't need it. This, though, is super cool.
Whoa.
Slide out.
Look
Pantry.
at how much storage. Think about if you were staying here long term and how much food you could fit in that.
That is like
That's crazy.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7?
Yeah, 7. That's an old school Disney reference for you. If you know what it is, leave a comment. And some of them are pretty big or pretty tall, like especially these down here. Those are really deep, so big cereal boxes.
That's the test if it's a good pantry slide out, if you can fit a cereal box in it.
Again, definitely our favorite part of this room is this kitchenette because it's just so much more and so more well done than other studios we've been in.
Yeah,
so
it feels more like a home.
Feels so close to you right now.
It's
a force field. And then when you come out, you do have your thermostat here, pretty standard. Another light switch, and then across from that is this closet that we mentioned, where we do find that vacuum cleaner we were talking about, as well as the safe, which is hilarious, like on a pedestal, big enough so that it's not on the floor, but still like extremely short, so you would have to bend way over or get down on your knees, hands and knees to get into it. Interesting design there. We do have a luggage rack though, a pack and play, which I don't know if that's standard or if that was just left in here, but there you go. Ironing board, iron, hangers, pant hangers, laundry bag, and additional linens, of course, hanging space. All this typical stuff you'd expect to find in a closet. And of course those extra linens are for that couch, which turns into a queen bed. It's a pull-out. So those would be for that. Here we have our standard queen bed that just stays as a bed, and it does have a nightstand on this side. There's a plug, a 2-outlet standard plug under there, and it actually has the little punch-through hole there, so you can pass your cords up and through. That's always nice. Bedside lamp controlled there. This switch is actually for over there.
Over me.
There we go. There's actually not a lot of lights in this room.
No, really, most of the light is coming from the door.
Yeah, and we absolutely love this art.
How cool is that?
All the cool colors. This one, and Chelsea said this looks like Mickey riding Astro Orbiter.
Right?
And I completely agree.
It totally does. And I really like how they cut out a space in the headboard.
Yeah.
And painted it and put that picture. It looks really nice.
So this nightstand here, we do have our phone. There is a 2-outlet plug as well there with our pen and pad in case you need to take some phone notes. Some nice color on the bed here too with the little spread cover and the pillow. Additional color, and then color on these pillows too. This is just an ottoman. There's no storage or anything in there, but there is a little space, as you can see there. If you pull that trash can out, you could slide that under there.
Aren't you clever? I didn't even notice that.
I think that's probably what that's intended to be. We have the table here, nice oval design.
Yeah.
With 2 chairs, and they got some, because they have like the leather style seats here, but then the back is like a fabric, different kind of fabric.
It's not like the most comfortable chair I sat in, but I mean,
it'll work.
We got a pizza and ate it here. I'd be content.
Oh, I'd always be content with the pizza. You have another mirror here, and it has these cool lines running through it. So then the last area here in the room is the TV stand. Now, one thing you'll notice if you've seen our other room tours, Disney has started putting much larger TVs in their rooms. This one is very small. I would guess probably about 32 inches. But I mean, it gets the job done, of course, in here.
Yeah.
But it's definitely a lot smaller. They've started putting in some big boys, like 55 inches. So
it doesn't bother us at all, but
no.
it you can see the difference when you compare.
Yeah, it's noticeable when you start walking in rooms nowadays. So we do have a little bit of shelving here, but there's actually, if you look, this is hidden away. I almost wouldn't have even known if I hadn't sat on the couch. It's a DVD and CD player, but they do also have a digital video in, so like a HDMI cord, and then a PC video in, and then your AV yellow, white, red cords. You can also do an audio in. The TV does come out from the wall there a little bit, and it does turn and pivot. Pivot! I have a cabinet here. Nothing in it, just some shelves for you to store things in. And then a couple little hidden drawers here. Then we have our 4 pull-out drawers here. So nothing in them. Those are just for your storage of clothing or whatever else you want to put. And another outlet. These random places for outlets. Outlets abound in this room. Very cool. So the last thing we need to talk about, we do have curtains on both sides of the sliding glass doors. It's just these heavy blackout curtains. There's no like the thin sheer day curtain things. I never know what to call them. You don't have those here. So just the thick blackout ones. Do have the sliding glass door, which does have like double lock action. It's kind of hard to figure out. Both go down. I did figure that out, and then you kind of gotta give it a big pull there.
Give it a big old pull.
And then it kind of gets stuck right there. Yeah, there we go. Pretty standard patio.
Yeah, and obviously we're on the first floor.
Yeah.
So it's a patio, not a balcony. What is cool is if you're at Bay Lake and you're on the first floor, the pool is just right there.
Yeah.
So we were able to just walk over to it, which was really nice and convenient.
And we also have the bocce ball, a little mini golf putting area over there. You can get equipment for both of those at the rec center, which is right down the hall from where we're at. And then all the sitting area over there, they have giant Connect 4 ping pong. So yeah, all that stuff. And the Cove Bar is right there too.
Yeah.
All that stuff just walk right out. One last thing to show, we have found the Contemporary Resort in-room dining. There's our in-room dining menu.
Lots of options.
Lots of options. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed that little tour here of our Deluxe Studio standard view at Bay Lake Tower here next to Disney's Contemporary Resort here at the Walt Disney World Resort here in Orlando, Florida.
Here. We're here.
We're here, but not for long.
No, we're leaving.
We're leaving inside Jim's car. If you're not a DVC member and you're feeling a little left out, fear not. You can stay here at Bay Lake Tower or any of the other Disney Vacation Club properties on Walt Disney World property paying cash. So you do not have to be a member. You can rent these rooms out, and we can help arrange that for you as travel agents. As always, we'd love to help you with that. And also, as always, the service is complimentary. Reach out to us via our travel agent information, which is at the end of all of our videos. We hope you enjoyed this tour here of our Deluxe Studio. Why Deluxe? I don't know, because they're all Deluxe.
Because it's magic.
It's nice. But we're gonna sign off. Until next time, we'll see you around the world. Happy travels.